Hi guys, Shakti here again. Today we will be talking about Maruti Cars. It is a Japanese-owned car manufacturer, Suzuki Motors. People still call it Maruti Suzuki Cars in India. They manufacture and sell different models of popular cars in India. Maruti Suzuki Cars. There are two channels for the Maruti Suzuki Cars. One is the Arena channel that sells normal Arena cars, and the other channel is the Nexa Cars that sells premium cars. The Maruti Suzuki was also known as Maruti Udyog Limited. It is known for releasing the iconic Maruti 800, the first small city car in India, which debuted from 1983 to 2014. The S-Cross diesel has been discontinued. Its petrol version will be released later. If you want to know more about petrol version of S-Cross, you can go to the Maruti Suzuki's site. Maruti Alto 800. It is available in six variants: STD, STDO, LXI, LXIO, VXI, and VXI Plus. It is powered by an updated 0.8 liter 3-cylinder BS6 petrol engine. It makes a power of 48 PS and 69 Nm of torque, mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. Its claimed mileage figure has dropped from 24.7 km per liter to 22.05 km per liter. The CNG variant has also dropped from 33.344 km per kg to 31.59 km per kg in its BS6 avatar. The Alto comes with driver airbag as standard. A front passenger airbag is offered as an option on the SCD and LXI variants, whereas it is standard in the top spec variant. Further safety include ABS with EBD, rear parking sensor, speed alert system, as well as a front occupant seat belt reminder. The 2019 Alto also features a new Bluetooth enabled audio system with a mobile deck on the top spec variant. Maruti Alto 800 variants. You can see the safety of the Maruti Alto 800 variants. Maruti Suzuki Wagon-R. It is offered in three variants: L, V, and Z. It is the Maruti is offering the Wagon-R with two BS6 compliant engines, a 1.0 liter petrol unit and a 1.2 liter petrol unit. The 1.2 liter petrol unit produces 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque, while the usual 1.0 liter 3-cylinder BS6 petrol engine is good for 68 PS and 90 Nm of torque. Both engines are offered with a choice of 5-speed manual and AMT gearboxes. The new Wagon-R is also offered in a CNG variant in the 1.0 liter version. It comes with standard safety such as driver airbag, ABS with EBD, front seatbelt reminder, speed alert system, and rear parking sensor. The co-passenger airbag along with the front seatbelt with Britishness and the load limiters are restricted to the top spec variant and optional on the L and B variants. The new Wagoner features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, manual AC, all four power windows, electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. What's more, the Maruti offers its hatchback with the rear washer and wiper with defogger, 60:40 split rear seats, and front fog lamps. Maruti Suzuki Wagon-R variants. You can see the safety features of the Maruti Suzuki Wagon-R. Maruti Suzuki Celerio. It is available in six variants: LXI, LXIO, VXI, VXIO, ZXI, and ZXIO. It has a 3-cylinder 1.0 liter petrol engine that produces 68 PS of power on petrol and 59 PS of power and 78 Nm of torque on CNG. Irrespective of the fuel type, it gets a 5-speed manual transmission while the petrol variant gets an AMT option. Maruti claims the mileage of 21.63 km per liter when driven on petrol and 31.76 km per kg in the driver's airbag is offered as standard across all variants, while the passenger airbag is available in the O trim levels. The top trims Z and ZO are the only ones to offer an audio system but no infotainment system and electrically adjustable ORVMs. It also gets front fog lamps, alloy wheels, and rear window washer and wiper. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio variant. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio variants. Maruti Suzuki Celerio X. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio X is available in 4 variants: VXI, VXIO, ZXI, and ZXIO. It is powered by a 1.0 liter KB10 engine as a regular Celerio, which produces 69 PS of power and 90 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission with the option of an AMT and returns a claimed mileage of 23.1 km per liter with either gearbox. The Maruti Celerio X is essentially an accessorized version of the regular Celerio hatchback. The cosmetic changes include black plastic cladding around the side and wheel arches, black alloy wheels, and a silver scuff plate at the rear. The redesigned front bumper gets black cladding between the headlamps and the fog lamps too, while the front grille gets a honeycomb pattern. Even the roof rail, exterior door handles, and the outside rear view mirrors (ORVMs) are finished in black. Maruti Suzuki Celerio X variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio X. Maruti Suzuki Swift. The Swift comes in 4 variants: L, V, Z and Z+. It is powered by an 1.2 liter petrol unit that churns out 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. The powertrain comes with the option of either a 5-speed manual transmission or a AMT transmission. AMT transmission gearbox, automatic transmission gearbox. The petrol variant of the Swift claims an ARAI certified mileage of 21.21 km per liter. Additional features on offer include auto LED projector headlamps with LED DRLs, tail lamps with LED brake lights, and a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. What's more, it also gets rear parking sensors with parking camera, electrically folding and adjustable ORVMs, automatic climate control, and push button start. However, many of these comforts are restricted to the higher variants. Maruti Suzuki Swift variant. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Swift variant. Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire. The facelift Dzire is offered with Maruti's 1.2 liter dual jet petrol engine that produces 90 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox and a choice of 5-speed automatic transmission gearbox as well. The engine is first to offer idle stop-start function in its segment. It has claimed a mileage of 23.26 km per liter with the manual transmission and 24.12 km per liter with the automatic transmission. The Dzire continues to be offered in 4 variants: L, V, Z and Z+. AMT option is available from the V variant onwards. The facelifted Dzire has equipped features like cruise control, automatic headlamps, auto folding ORVMs, push button engine start stop, and auto AC with rear AC vent. It also gets a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Its 4.2-inch multi-color MID offers plenty of useful driving information as well. It also offers cloud-based services too. The Dzire comes with ISOFIX child seat anchors and rear parking sensors, dual front airbags as standard. The AMT variants get electronic stability control and hill hold assist, while features like rear view camera and rear defogger are offered in high-spec variants. Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire. Maruti Suzuki Espresso. Maruti Suzuki Espresso is available in 4 trims: STD, LXI, VXI and VXI Plus. The Espresso gets an AMT transmission only in the top spec variant, thereby taking the variant count to 6. Apart from the top spec variant, every trim is offered with an optional variant that packs more safety features. It gets a BS6 compliant 1.0 liter engine that is good for 68 PS of power and 90 Nm of torque. It comes with 5-speed manual gearbox or a 5-speed AMT. Safety features such as driver side airbag, rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, speed alert, and front seatbelt reminder are offered as standard across every variant, while the top spec variant comes with a front passenger airbag and front seatbelt petitioners. They are available as an option on the others. The Espresso gets a bunch of features which includes a digital instrumental cluster, 7-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, front power windows and internally adjustable ORVM. Maruti Suzuki Espresso variants. You can see the safety features of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso Vitara Brezza. It is available in 4 variants: LXI, VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus. While the pre-facelift Vitara Brezza was offered with a diesel engine, it is offered now with a petrol engine. It produces a power of 105 PS and 138 Nm of torque. It comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox option or a 4-speed automatic gearbox option. With the facelift, Maruti has updated the features of the Vitara Brezza along with the dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors. It comes with dual LED projector headlamps and with dual functioning LED DRLs, LED fog lamps, tail lamps and etc. A new 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is also added. Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza variants. You can see the safety of the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. The MPV is offered in 4 variants: L, V, Z and Z+. The CNG is only available in VXI variant. The BS6 Ertiga is powered by a 1.5 liter petrol engine that produces 105 PS of power and 138 Nm of torque. The petrol engine is mated to a 5-speed manual. Maruti also offers a 4-speed automatic transmission on the petrol version. The CNG uses the same petrol variant engine but without the smart hybrid tech. It has claimed an efficiency of 26.08 km per kg, but the performance drops to 92 PS and 122 Nm. The second gen Ertiga is loaded with features. It is equipped with projector headlamps, fog lamps, LED tail lamps, 15-inch alloy wheels, a 7-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, push button stop, ventilated front cup holders, auto climate control on off with rear AC vents and rear reverse parking camera. Safety features on offer include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP and hill hold for safety, but these features are limited to the automatic variant. Child seat anchors and reverse parking sensors are available on both automatic and manual variants. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga variants. Maruti Suzuki Eco. It is available in 4 variants: 5-seater standard, 5-seater AC, 5-seater AC CNG, 7-seater standard. It is available in a BS6 compliant 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that sends power to the rear wheels with a 5-speed manual transmission gearbox. It makes 73 PS of power and 98 Nm of torque on the petrol variant, whereas it makes 63 PS of power and 85 Nm of torque on the CNG variant. The claimed efficiency of petrol variant is 16.11 km per liter, where the BS4 CNG variant return 21.94 km per kg. The Eco comes with the manual AC. It gets a driver airbag, ABS with EBD, front seatbelt reminder, speed alert and rear parking sensors as standard. Maruti Suzuki Eco variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Eco. Maruti Suzuki Baleno. It is offered in 4 variants: Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. Except for the base variant and the 1.2 dual jet variants, every other variant of the petrol powered Baleno is offered with a CVT gearbox. The petrol variants are powered by a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated engine which makes 84 PS and 515 Nm, mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT. Maruti offers a 1.2 liter dual jet petrol engine with a mild hybrid system. It comes mated with a 5-speed manual transmission only, while it is available only in the selected variants dual jet and Zeta. While the petrol engine has a claimed efficiency of 21.4 km per liter, the dual jet petrol mild hybrid engine returns 23.87 km per liter. It is offered with safety features such as rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, seat child seat anchors, dual front airbags across all variants. Maruti offers a rear view camera on the Baleno. It gets a LED projector, headlamps and new alloy wheels. It sports a 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto climate control, push button start stop and passive keyless entry are other features which are standard across every variant. Maruti Suzuki Baleno variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno variants. Maruti Suzuki Baleno variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno variants. Maruti Suzuki Baleno mild hybrid variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno mild hybrid variants. Maruti Suzuki mild hybrid variant. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki mild hybrid variants. All would have thought why he is marking these two places, because I want to tell you all that the seat belts are not available in the Maruti Suzuki mild hybrid variant dual jet delta. The dual jet delta is the base model of the mild hybrid variants and the second base model without hybrid variants. Maruti Suzuki Ignis. The Ignis facelift is available in 4 variants: Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. The facelifted Ignis is available with a 1.2-liter petrol engine, BS6 petrol engine that makes a power of 83 PS and torque of 113 Nm. It is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed automatic transmission. It is equipped with a host of features. It includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat anchors, LED projector headlamps with daytime running lamps or DRL, 15-inch alloy wheels, 7-inch Smart Play Studio, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and navigation and automatic climate control. Maruti Suzuki Ignis variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Ignis variants. Maruti Suzuki Ignis variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Ignis variant. Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. It is offered in 5 variants: Sigma base model, Delta, Zeta, Alpha and the S top variant. It comes with the BS6 compliant 1.5-liter petrol mild hybrid powertrain that makes 105 PS and 138 Nm. It is offered with a choice of 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. The BS4 petrol and diesel engines as well as the existing 1.3-liter diesel motor are available in the last BS4 Ciaz stocks. The petrol engine is rated at 105 PS and 138 Nm, whereas the diesel engine, the BS4 diesel engine produces 95 PS and 225 Nm of torque. The petrol engine are mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, whereas the BS4 1.5-liter diesel engine is coupled to a 6-speed manual transmission. The petrol motor also comes with the option of a 4-speed automatic transmission. With a mild hybrid track, the Ciaz petrol returns 20.65 km per liter with the manual transmission and 20.04 km per liter with the automatic transmission. The 1.5 liter is rated at the diesel engine is rated at 26.82 km per liter. The Maruti Suzuki Ciaz gets auto LED headlamps, LED fog lamps, tail lamps with LED inserts on the outside. There is even a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto climate control, passive keyless entry system with push button start and leather upholstery and cruise control, among others. On the inside. For safety, the Ciaz gets dual front airbags, ABS with EBD and ISOFIX child seat anchors, speed alert system, SCAS, seatbelt reminder as standard across the range. Maruti Suzuki Ciaz variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Maruti Suzuki Ciaz variant. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Maruti Suzuki XL6. It is offered in 2 variants, Zeta and Alpha. The XL6 comes with only a petrol engine. It is the same BS6 compliant engine that is present in the Ertiga that produces 105 PS of power and 138 Nm of torque. It is offered with the option of 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-speed automatic transmission. It also comes with Maruti's mild hybrid tech. Maruti offers the MPV with LED headlamps, LED DRS, LED fog lamps. It also comes with safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX style seat anchors, front seat belts with pretensioner and force limiter, as well as ESP with hill hold. There is a 7-inch infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity as well. Other features include black leatherette upholstery, cruise control, automatic climate control with rear AC vents. Maruti Suzuki XL6 variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki XL6. Maruti Suzuki XL6 variants. You can see the safety and security of the Maruti Suzuki XL6. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more reviews of car brands and car models.